Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryer ovens, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven and the Air Fryer. These are two innovative kitchen gadgets that promise healthier and delicious meals with minimal oil. So let's dive right in and see how these two products stack up against each other. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and comparisons. When it comes to the price, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven comes in at just $59, making it a budget-friendly option without compromising on functionality. On the other hand, the air fryer is priced at $99, which is slightly higher but offers some additional features. Both products are great options, but if you're looking to save some bucks, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven might be the way to go. When it comes to cooking capabilities, both the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven and the Air Fryer offer a wide range of options. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven features 12 one-touch digital presets, including options like French fries, wings, fish, bacon, and more. On the other hand, the air fryer boasts 9 preset modes, such as steak, dessert, seafood, and veggies. Both products provide versatility and allow you to prepare a variety of delicious meals. When it comes to health benefits, both the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven and the Air Fryer excel at reducing oil usage. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven features fat removal technology in its basket, which can remove up to 90% of fat during the cooking process. Similarly, the Air Fryer promises up to 85% less oil usage compared to traditional frying methods, so you can enjoy your favorite crispy dishes with less guilt. When it comes to cleaning, both the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven and the Air Fryer offer convenience. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven's accessories are dishwasher safe, allowing for quick and easy cleanup. Similarly, the Air Fryer's non-stick basket is removable and dishwasher safe, making it hassle-free to clean. You can say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to more time enjoying your delicious meals. And that concludes our comparison between the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven and the Air Fryer. Both products offer excellent cooking capabilities and health benefits. The choice ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which one would you prefer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.